Got an update on this thing. 1 second. I fixed the fuel pump. She's mounted in there nice. Got my wires fixed. I know it's electrical tape, but it's pretty nicely done. I mean, I've got good connectors and stuff, but I like the extra protection. And then right now I've got my header ripped out. Trying to address all this wiring meltage. Here's the from Tennessee. This is one wire. As you can see, she's pretty charred. It's one starter wire, and then let me take you to the top. We got a new wire starting to be made. Got a new connector on there. And then the bad thing is this is my crank sensor, and that's the wires, all completely melted. More starter wires. Those are melted. All caught fire back there. This is even a little melted. And then my spark plug wires, those are melted. Even the header wrap is all melted, like from the plastic. Then I got my own little wiring station here. I don't have the colors that are on there, but I got 3 wires all cut to length. And then, yeah, birds attacked this thing terrible. And then, yeah, gotta get this thing done, and I'm gonna rerun these wires so that way they're not getting melted. Then also installed the fire extinguisher. Got that put in here. So yeah, just gonna keep plugging away. Well, I got the header back on. The wiring is retucked underneath. Dipstick tube's back in. I haven't mounted this yet, but I ran my main starting wire up on the inner fender, and I got these clamps that I'll use to, these style clamps right here, I'll use to line this up nice and make it mount there nicely. And then if you look under here, sorry, I know there's zip ties, but bear with me. I got my wires all tucked out of the way as far as from the exhaust I can get it. I mean, these lines are here and they haven't moved and they've never melted, especially with the heat wrap. But yeah, the wires are plenty far away now. I shouldn't have a problem. And then here's that wire I said I gotta tighten down and make sure that's all good, but hopefully no more fires. I know it's pretty dangerously close to my flywheel, but I haven't had a problem, and I don't think it'll be a problem. So yeah, that's the progress so far. Got a couple other things got to touch up, and then should be good to go. Just fired it up. Gonna check some stuff and see if she's sticking up. She should. So yeah, I'll give you a little update. Running pretty good for my liking. What's that? 98. Gonna get a little pressure. Almost ready for cleetus and cars. Here's everything that was burned. These were underneath my radiator, and I used foam because I figured it'd be, you know, soft, cushiony, but I guess after heat and time it melted holes right through it. But here's all the wires that got burned, all the stuff charred, and then some of these wires obviously. Run the tires right off of her today.
Should have rotated them fucking way full.
Should have, but it didn't. This one's still kind of okay. Gonna have to order tires for the daily runs. He just won't quit. He won't quit. Come on. Get out of the road. Hell yeah.